Hi everyone, this is Andre here. I'm just here to give you let's say we're going to start a new series called, Tax Tips on Tuesday or Tuesday Tax Tips or something like that. And today's short tip is basically this. When you start to earn, submit a return. So there's this idea that that if you earn below 500,000 and you work for one employer, and you aren't claiming any deductions, then you don't have to submit a return. But I think this is bad advice. Basically, it's better to submit your return even if you aren't necessarily required to submit a return. And there's three reasons for why you should submit a return even if you are below the requirements. Number one, unclaimed refunds. A lot of people have situations where they've only worked for half a year and they were unemployed, or something happened in a tax year, and this can create a potential refund for you. If you aren't submitting a return because you think you were under the threshold, but you did pay as you earn, then you might have an unclaimed refund where that if you submit your return, you could get a refund. So don't make the mistake of not submitting your returns only because you think that you don't have to submit one. The second one is admin penalties. SARS have and can charge admin penalties sometimes on unsubmitted returns, even though the law says that the return might not be required. This is only because SARS's IT system it's quite good, but it's not 100%, and so you can have admin penalties unnecessarily levied on your admin penalty statement of account. The third reason is the returns, the unsubmitted returns, even though they're not required, could show up on your tax clearance report to show that you are supposed to submit those returns. And so having not being compliant on your tax for the tax clearance can prevent you from getting a tax clearance certificate, and also preventing you from getting a clearance certificate to either emigrate, leave the country permanently, or to invest abroad. So that's it for today. Tuesday's tax tips. When you start to earn, submit a return and submit them every year. Just on a side note, Tax Maverick is going really well. We're a year old now, and I'm also working on a tax book. But for more information, you can just email me. I'll leave my email in the description below, and have a great day further. Bye-bye.